Good morning, students. Moving forward, the accommodation management. After discussing about the layout of housekeeping department, now I am going to discuss about the layout of guest room. So before knowing about the layout of guest room, we must know the some guidelines which will help you to make the layout of guest room easily. So first thing you should consider is functions, means consider how the room is used and how many people will use it. Means before making the layout, you must first know the first know the functions of the room, means how and how many people will use this room. Like if it is it a guest room, is it a public area. So as per the requirement, we will make the furnishing as per the functions of the room. Next is focal points. Identify the room's focal point. A fireplace, view, television. Ideal distance between the television and seating is the 3 times the size of the screen. So you must decide the focal point also between the view and the other things available in the room. For example, if you are talking about the television, so distance between television and the sitting area should be the 3 times of the size of the screens. Means if you are using 40-inch television set, then chair should be 120 inches away from the television. So you have to decide the focal points accordingly. You have to place the chair and television. Next comes his priority. Place the largest pieces of furniture first, like sofa in the living room or room facing the focal points. Chairs should be no more than 8 feet apart to the facilities conversation. Coffee table should be 14 to 18 inches from a sofa to provide sufficient legroom. So these priority you have to take while placing the furniture in the guest room. You must also consider the traffic, means do not block the doors with the large pieces of furniture. If traffic cuts through the middle of the room, consider creating two small sitting areas instead of one large one. Right? So you also must consider about the traffic. Next is variety. Vary the size of furniture pieces so your eyes move up and down as you scan the space. Balance a tall item by placing another piece of similar height so across the room. Avoid putting two tall pieces next to each other. So you have to consider the varieties also. So these were the main points, main things you need to consider before placing the things into the guest room. So with considering these 5 points, you can easily create the layout of a guest room. In further next class, we will discuss all the things. Thank you.